Happy New Year to me. It's already 12:15 here in Australia, and yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now because I'm tired and I'm done working on those two laptops. And this camera feels lighter now. Am I stronger? I don't know. But anyway, the vlog starts tomorrow. Yeah, not tomorrow, later. It's already 12 o'clock. See ya later. Yeah, I forgot my phone today. I was in a hurry to catch the early train because we're gonna have breakfast with Laura. She has trading.
Using strong.
She's trading the city with the. Yeah, I forgot my phone. So like, good luck to me. Also, I'm expecting a call from DJ Direct for them to return my camera. Oh no. Anyway, let's see how it goes. So we're waiting for an order, and yeah, we're just waiting here.
Somebody's gonna be late. I'm really early. Ooh.
How is it?
Bagel, cream cheese.
Breakfast.
Wow. And ano po?
I just called up work and asked if I'm gonna be absent. Sorry about that, Joe. I'm just having breakfast downstairs. Sorry. I don't know, they're fighting. Yes, they're fighting. She's in the phone. Just chilling here. It's been a long day, like a long day. I went over to DJ Direct to check for some Sony lenses because it's not me who's buying, but it's Don. And we approached Brad and he said TT. Oh, what? He knows some filler words like bakla, bayot. Fortunately, I didn't bring my camera, so I wasn't able to film it. But anyway, it was fun there. So lenses are expensive, so like I'm not thinking of selling my Canon soon. And Don just sold his 1DX. Yeah. Still can't move to Sony. Sorry, still can't move to Sony yet because it's a lot of paying to do. Anyway, yeah, just here waiting for Laura. She's still on the phone. Just around there. So yeah, I'm just around here at Latrobe University City Campus, and yeah, I'm waiting for Laura to finish talking. She's trying to organize our insurance right now. Just finished dinner, and we had dinner at Saki. It was good. And now, we met Bisaya there. It's Earl. Thanks, sir, for serving us. You go first. What?
Japanese kay sake.
Sake.
Saan bang pronounce yung Japanese kake?
I don't know. I'm not Japanese. Anyway, we're in this Sofitel and I don't know where we are. Oh, there's cars. Yes, makabay. Okay, let's go. We're out here nowhere. Istik gata rin kabirado gusto ang gata gitu jahak gati kayu jahak kayu. Oh, labang.
I used to always be mga street cleaner.
do you read that? How do you read that? Achim! Achim! That's how you read it. Okay. Sunod na may train station, so
Where'd you learn that?
ipos na ko sa camera. Long night. Nanawag mi sa escalator. Ang escalator, taas kayo. Balik kayo. Dapat may disco. Pero kapoy man.